Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. In today's video, we are going to continue XSS series or cross-site scripting series. Particularly, we'll be looking at stored XSS. As you know, this type of XSS is more dangerous in comparison to reflect XSS. Why? Because the data or malicious payload will be stored into the database. So anyone who accesses the link will get the payload executed. This is different from reflect XSS. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now let's head over to Linux VM to start. And I'd like to reset the database so then we can start from scratch. Okay. Input B and the bug. So now we can log in. And next, we should choose the bug, what we are going to do in this video. This would be, yes, this one stored, block, click hack button. So now here, this page is providing us to write and post block, for example, like hello world, submit, and our submitted data is saved in the database and displayed on the page. So at this point, it's very possible here, this form is vulnerable to XSS stored vulnerability, okay, or attack, sorry. So now we can try something different. For example, like h1, and put like JSON, submit. So, our HTML has got rendered. Very dangerous, right? Because anyone else access this page will get this type of payload executed. But it's not so dangerous, right? So how about we put some JavaScript payload, like script, and so we can put like alert 11111, anything, and we can submit. You see, JavaScript payload has been executed as we expected. Of course, we can, do more dangerous action like a script and a script. We can put like get to retrieve the cookie, document cookie. And of course, we can, in the real engagement, not will use this type of payload directly. Usually, attacker will be trying to transfer the cookie from the victim to the attack's machine, okay, or the machine which has been controlled by attacker, okay. Here, just for the purpose of demonstration, I use this simple function of JavaScript. Okay, you see, the cookie has been extracted. Okay, so now I have already done the low security level. How about maybe I'd like to reset. So we can start from blank or scratch for the medium security level. But before we go into this level, I'd like to check the source code which is responsible for this bug, more XSS and stored 1. Okay, so include or import some files. So the cookie, cookie 0 means, so not the cookie case 0 means the low security level, 1 medium security level. But you can see there is no difference between low, medium, and high security level. The same filter is applied in this case, okay? Because here, this line is commented, also this one. But the difference between them lies in here. Let me scroll down, scroll down. So the echo, scroll down. Should it be the table? Yes, entry level. And we'll retrieve data from the database. Okay, here you see so I think, we'll check the security level one more time when display the data, okay? But I think such a filter only applies to high security level, okay? High security level will use this function to, also this one, security level medium, will also use another type of filter, XSS check for. Maybe I'd like to check those functions. Grab XSS check for and function 129 line. We can access check. More. Oh, sorry, not this one. Function external. Yes, this function will use this function, HTML special characters, which is very difficult to bypass. However, I think this one, the false, just add slashes. So I think this can be bypassed to some extent. This means we'll add the backslash to the single quote. If we do not use the single quote and double quote, this will not be useful. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So now let's go back to bWAPP and set the security level to medium, and go to this bug one more time. Stored. Yes, this one, block. Okay, and we can try. And this time, for example, if we use a payload which doesn't include the backslash, single quote or double quote, this will not be affected. Okay, for example, this, I'm certain this payload can be executed. Yes, right. However, of course, also a cookie, for example, like a script, and like alert, document, cookie. This payload can also get executed because there is no single quote or double quotes. Okay. Yes. However, if we use, for example, like script, and alert, JSON, and submit, this time the payload cannot be executed. Okay. So I've already demonstrated the medium security level. So how about the high? This would be much more difficult. We cannot, for example, we can even, this one cannot work. Okay, alert 666 submit, because all like the angular bracket would be escaped, okay, or would be sanitized. All right, with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day. Peace.